Hello guys, this is a very lovely cheeky top and is the project for this particular tutorial. So the fabric I used is duchesse, but you can use any fabric of your choice, and you need at least half yard or a little above half yard or even 1 yard depending on your size. To get your measurement, divide your bust round by 4, that is your round bust measurement by 4 plus 1 inch if you don't want to cow neck effect deep, and your preferred full length should be your shoulder to your waist. Okay, so for your fold, you should fold your fabric the first time and the second time because you need at least 2 pieces, one serving as the lining and one serving as the main piece to get a neat finishing. So for your ropes, you need 2 ropes for the waist and 2 ropes for the neck. There is no standard measurement for this. Go ahead and you do whatever you like, as long as you want it and as bold as you want it, that's fine. So looking at the waist part, you can see that it has a slight curve, so go like 1 inch up from the side and connect it to the center. That way you get that slight curve. Now go ahead and prep your ropes. Now to prep your ropes, stitch it all around, leaving one end open where you pull everything out and iron it flat. So the next is to go ahead and arrange it for you to stitch. Now see the essence of the 2 folds. You see we have two pieces here, one as the lining and one as the main piece, so at least to get a very neat finishing. And this is just an illustration of what the top will look like after sewing, but it's not the placement yet to sew. Now to sew it, you should pay attention to what I'm going to explain right now. Mark ½ inch before the hem and place the waist rope, making sure that the part you stitch is facing down, okay, and then pin it so it won't move. Now for the neck rope, make sure the part you stitched is facing out and mark ½ inch in, just like you need at least ½ inch to stitch it all around. So that is the essence of this half inch in or half inch before the hem. So that is it. Do the same thing to this side, and for the remaining waist rope, still ensure that you place it ½ inch before the hem. Guys, please subscribe and join the family, okay? Trust me, you get so much value from this channel. Also, just pay attention to what you are watching, okay? Don't worry, you'll still get everything by the end of this video. And please use the remaining piece to cover it and then go ahead and stitch. But while you cover, ensure that it's right side facing right side. It's important you stitch it that way instead of right side to wrong side. It won't make sense now, right? So cover it properly and then go ahead and stitch it all round. Now do not just close everything entirely. Leave 1 inch opening if the fabric is soft one, but if it's like a thick one, you should go ahead and leave up to, like, let's say not actually thick but at least thick, you know, not so soft. So you should leave up to like 2 inches where you pull everything out so that it won't be difficult pulling them out, okay? But then make sure that after you pull everything out and iron, you should stop stitch or use your hemming gun to hold it down. So guys, you see what I have here? This is the final piece. You see the ropes for the waist and the ropes for the neck. Everything is laying very flat, and you see that 1 inch opening by the side. This is where I turned everything out from and then iron it. So guys, please, while you iron, make sure you open your seams to iron so that everything will lay very flat. And that is just it for this top. Now look at the final piece, guys. Tell me you wouldn't rock this like a baddie. This is a very nice cheeky top, and you can do this with, you know, fabric scraps. It's so easy that way. Anyways, thanks for watching, and then